Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook an egg in boiling water. First, select a pot that allows your eggs to rest in a single layer on the bottom. Then, fill it with enough water to cover the eggs by at least 1 inch. Bring this water to a vigorous, rolling boil. Once boiling, gently lower your eggs into the pot using a slotted spoon to prevent cracking. This careful approach ensures a smooth start to your perfect egg. Achieving your desired egg doneness is all about timing. For a delightful jammy, soft-boiled egg, cook for 6 minutes. If you prefer a firmer white with a slightly runny yolk, aim for 7 minutes. An 8-minute boil will give you a mostly firm yolk with a lovely creamy center. For a classic, fully hard-boiled egg, cook for 10 to 12 minutes, ensuring a completely set yolk. Once your eggs are cooked to perfection, immediately transfer them to an ice bath. Let them cool for at least 5 minutes. This crucial step halts the cooking process and makes peeling significantly easier. To peel, gently tap the egg all over on a hard surface to create tiny cracks. Then, peel under cool running water, starting from the wider end where an air pocket usually forms. For the best results, consider using eggs that are a few days old. They tend to peel much more easily than very fresh ones. Adding about 1/2 teaspoon of salt to your boiling water can help prevent cracks if an egg bumps the pot. Avoid overcrowding the pot, as this can lead to uneven cooking. Finally, store any peeled hard-boiled eggs in the refrigerator for up to 5 days for convenient snacks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.